What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out another leather case from Nomad. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So this case here from Nomad is pretty much identical to the original snap-on leather case I reviewed not that long ago. The biggest difference being that this case here offers a card holder. Now just like the other Nomad leather cases I reviewed, this one here does feature Horween leather, which is a really high quality leather that smells nice, feels nice, and also has this really unique patina effect over time. This leather is fused to a hybrid style case that features TPU liners and a polycarbonate shell in addition to a felt back liner. It is a simple snap-on style case. We'll go button side first, pops it in place, and you're all set to go. One thing I want to note is that Nomad has one of the best fitting cases for a hybrid style case. For example, usually the bottom part here where the lightning port is has a spot that is normally the weakest and kind of sags, but the Nomad one here, it stays on, like it doesn't sag at all, even if I push my finger on it. So a really good formula for whatever Nomad uses. Anyways, take a quick overview of this case. Starting off with the top here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with the TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. On the sides, you have covers for your power button, as well as your volume rockers, and they're pretty easy to press, although you don't get much of a tactile feedback when you press on them, but still feels like a button, and of course a small cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom, you have 3 precise cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And finally on the back here, you have a generous cutout for a camera and flash with a blacked out border to prevent any flash issues. The Horween leather that encompasses the entire back and a portion of the sides. And the most highlighted feature of this case is the 2 card holders on the back here. The nice thing about these card holders is that they don't add any extra bulk to the phone, and they're there in case you ever need it. Overall guys, the first impressions on the Nomad card case is fairly positive. It's a great alternative for those of you who aren't a fan of those big bulky folio wallet cases. If you just want something to carry a couple cards with you, then this is a pretty good choice. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I can mention is that you're limited by the amount of cards you can carry. In this case, Nomad states you can carry up to 4 cards, so assume 2 cards on the bottom and 2 on the top. In conclusion guys, if looking for a standard full-size iPhone case without having to add the extra bulk of a wallet style case, but you want a couple slots for a couple cards, you definitely can't go wrong with the Nomad card case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.